In this tutorial, you'll learn how to change your Microsoft Edge download location. This quick process allows you to save files directly to your desktop, documents, or any custom folder of your choice. First, open Microsoft Edge. Then, look up to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu icon. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Alt+F to open this menu instantly. From the drop-down, click on Settings near the bottom of the list. Once you're in Settings, look at the left sidebar. You'll see a Downloads option. Go ahead and click that. This opens your download preferences. Now you'll see the location section displaying your current download folder, typically set to Downloads by default. So, click on Change button beside it. This will open a file browser window where you can view all available drives and folders on your system. So, navigate to wherever you want your files saved. Popular choices include desktop for quick access, documents for organization, or even a custom folder on an external drive. Once you've found your preferred location, select it and click Select Folder at the bottom. To verify this is working correctly, let's download a file for demonstration purposes. And you can see, it immediately appears in my new location instead of the old Downloads folder. Your new download location is now set, and every future file will save there automatically.